Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a little demonstration of a particular package recently created by somebody, and that package is Emacs package, and basically it is called password menu, which is having a transient menu. So you can see it on the mini buffer and select password from the specific file. In Crux, it is a front end of the authinfo.gpg file, which is used behind the scene in Emacs to approve the authentication or credential of a particular service. Okay, this is purely a front end written by somebody and who has posted it to the public, so I give it a little shot. So I thought to provide you some sort of demonstration about it, but before doing so, okay, let me give you the demonstration first, then I'll tell you where it is coming. Okay, so this is password menu, which is I'm iterating again. It is a front end of authinfo.gpg file, which is used internally by Emacs. Okay, so to give you some sort of understanding, let me go to my Emacs client. This is my Emacs client running in terminal, and say for instance I wanted, because I haven't bound a key, because I just started to exploring it yesterday when it come to know. So you can, as the author mentioned, you should at least bind 2 keys to get the transient menu. So I'm going to show you password. So you have to go here and select password menu transient. This is the option you need to select. If you press enter, so it will ask for my GPG key, which is protected by the authinfo file. See, look at the bottom of the screen. It enlisting me the password I have in the authinfo file in GPG. Okay, so you can easily, it says get password for, if I say 5 to get magic hub password, which is what I'm not using anymore. So if I press 5 here, see, look at the bottom of the mini buffer. It says copy password to this to us. If I say, it's basically clipboard and stays for 45 seconds. If I say meta y, look at this, my password is there in the kill ring. Okay, as well as in my system clipboard. So it stays there 45 seconds. So you can paste it somewhere else from there. Pretty darn simple and very convenient too, right? So this is a very good option. See that the message has come. You see the echo area. Look at the bottom of the screen. Password cleared from kill ring and system clipboard. 45-second lapse has happened, and it automatically clear out the kill ring as well as the system clipboard where the password initially copied once you chose it. Okay, now let me give you another example. So it has got 23 entries, different entries. You can generate password, you can insert password. As I mentioned twice in the very onset of this video, that this is essentially a front end to pass menu or pass command line interface inside Emacs. Okay, so it's basically read out the authinfo.gpg file, which is internally used Emacs for password authentication or credential purpose. Okay, this is a front end. and there are 24 options. I was supposed to show you something else. What is that? So you can see the options here. So all you have to do you start it with if you ever use pass command on the command line, the very first thing you need to do to initialize the store, password store, right, which basically store your credential in a GPG protected file. Okay, this is what it will do, password store in it. Okay, and password store insert to provide you the, it will insert a new credential, it will generate a new password. This is what I believe. The most important command is that password menu transient. It will show you the if I press enter here again, so you see it will prompt you whatever the entry you have in authinfo.gpg file. It will enlist you. Once you select the number on the left hand side beside the entry, it will copy the password to the kill ring, Emacs kill ring, as well as in system clipboard, and stays there for 45 seconds. Within that time frame, you can copy it to somewhere else within Emacs, which might be requiring that particular credential, and once the 45 seconds over, it gets wiped out and you have been told that it has been erased out from the kill ring as well as the system clipboard for the security reason. Very good thing to do. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. And before I let you go, let me show you why it pops up here in Emacs Reddit, and the author has written a blog post here, and it says Emacs package password menu, and he or she has explained it in detail what it is, okay, and how it has been developed. You can give it a shot, and here is the GitHub page. This is the person, okay, and Bob Nadler. There is a GitHub page. What I'll do now, I'll link you this particular. You can install this particular package from Melpa. That's how I got it. Okay, so the steps are clearly mentioned here. You just have to, if you are using use package, you could do it this by, you can evaluate it from the meta colon to do this, all this stuff, and then if you, these are the two generally most used command out of those 23, and you can bind keys if you want to use that frequently inside Emacs. So you can bind the keys as the author suggests you to do so. I haven't done so because I'm still exploring it, and it looks good to me. That's why I'm creating this video. So if you find it useful, please provide, as the author asks for, provide the feedback as well as your findings or your whatever you say. Please be kind to them, because he has been doing some favor to you people. Okay, so this is what I want to cover in this video. I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.